Well, hello everybody. I'm at the laundromat. That nice laundromat. I'm sweating like a bull. Today I'm using this. This is the all Mighty Packs Oxy Plus Odor Lifter Sunshine Fresh scent. You get 19 packs in here, and it's 12.5 ounces.
Today I am using a top loader at the laundromat. It is only $2.50. So I think it's a bargain because it looks like it's a nice size and I can get my, good wash in. I didn't bring too many clothes, but last time I used the one for $3.50 and it worked well. I just wanted to get a cheaper machine this time though. I am putting 2 of these pots in, and then I'm going to put the rest of the clothes in. I have tops. I have some dresses. I think I have some lounging dresses also in there. I threw in some dark clothes, just a little bit, because I did not want to get another machine. I wanted to use just one machine.
So this little bag filled this up. The machine is not as big as I thought it was. I still could fit a little more in there, but it's still not as big as I thought. So I'm going to put the change in, and I'll be back when clothes are washing.
So I'm about to start the machine. Again, I'm using all Mighty Packs. And with the coins here, you have to double them up in order to use the machine. I had to ask the guy about it, because first I put the coins in and it wasn't working right. And he showed me you have to double up the coins. And so for a machine that costs $2.50, you're getting a nice amount of room in there.
This machine stops every time that you put the lid up, and I was hoping that I would be able to show the clothes washing. That's the difference with the UT machines. You can see it washing through the glass. So I'm going to be using a bounce pet here and Lint guard 3 times mega sheets to dry my clothes. I want to see if it's going to take the lint off my dark clothes, even though I don't have that many of them. It smells so good. It smells so good. So let me finish my washing, and then I will put the stuff in the dryer and use dryer sheets. The clothes are done. Finished soon. Did y'all see all that lint on my jacket? I don't know if that bounce is gonna work. We'll see though. We'll see. It's very hot here today, y'all. It's burning up in this laundromat. But it's never really that many people in here, and that's why I like it. I go and do some things that I need to do in this area, and I bring clothes, and I only bring a little small bag because the stuff can be too heavy sometimes. I am almost done. So these clothes are so clean. They are so fresh. I didn't put no zippies in this time. Here are my dark clothes. And look at so this bounce. Cat hair and lip guard is pretty good.